Today we're memorizing Philippians 4:13. We're also going to talk about ways different people misunderstand what this text means. Hi friends, I'm Miss Nancy Root.
And I'm Mr. Roger.
We want to see kids living for Jesus. This is part of Bible Drill Red Cycle. For more information, check out the description below. Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ, which strengtheneth me. Philippians 4:13. Some people take this verse to mean that they can be like Superman. I can do anything and God will strengthen me. Woo! Anything like Superman. Well, we got to remember things like what Jesus said in the temptations of Jesus. Do you remember how that worked? In one of those temptations, then the devil taketh him up unto the holy city, and setteth him on a pinnacle of the temple, and saith unto him, If thou be the Son of God, cast thyself down, for it is written, He shall give his angels charge concerning thee, and in their hands they shall bear thee up, lest at any time thou dash thy foot against a stone. Sounds like Superman, huh? But Jesus said unto him, It is written again, Thou shalt not tempt the Lord thy God. See, the key is we have to look at the context, what comes before and after Philippians 4:13 to understand what it says and what it means. So here's what the verses before it say, picking up in the middle of verse 11. For I have learned in whatsoever state I am, therewith to be content. I know both how to be abased, to not have a lot of money and not a lot of food, and I know how to abound with a lot of money and a lot of food. Everywhere and in all things I am instructed both to be full and to be hungry, both to abound and to suffer need. I can do all things through Christ which strengtheneth me. Philippians 4:13. Content means to be satisfied and pleased, to be able to say it is enough no matter what our circumstances, because of Christ. Because of Christ, we can say it is enough, whether other people might say so or not, whether we have a lot of food or not a lot of food, a lot of money or not a lot of money. It doesn't matter. We can be content because of Christ. Not just that, but we can be content, confident, and strong because of Christ. God gives us everything we need to live for Him. That is why we can say, I can do all things through Christ which strengtheneth me. Philippians 4:13. Don't forget to subscribe. We post memory verses in 4 translations, key passages, answers to Bible questions, and more. Check out our store and freebies at parentroadmin.com. We love you, friends. See you next time.